wing was created. Now, a lot of this wing is the sciences. This is where you'll learn advanced manufacturing. You'll have the chemistry, the advanced chemistry classes. A lot of this space was built to be high tech. At one point, we had a NASA lab here, and that's why you see the cockpit here, because we actually had a program where, if you see right in the middle, there's that camera. We actually had a live link with NASA, and we had an instructor here who was NASA certified,
Right.
And would teach the class. And so, you know, we're talking about aeronautics, we're talking about all of that type stuff. We did have that at one point. We don't do it, we haven't done it in a while.
That's because of declining enrollment.
Declining enrollment and making hard funding choices. Because as you can imagine, a NASA lab is expensive to maintain. But we do still have our advanced manufacturing. We still have the folks that put together the electric vehicles, and they still compete. Because Lawrence Tech has this big thing every year, and we compete in it every year. So if you come over here in the afternoons, you might see one of these vehicles in the parking lot with about 8 students figuring out how to make it move, you know, in a new way.
All of them are electric. This is all electric.
Yeah.
Wow.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. And then we also have a partnership with SME Prime. SME Prime is all about advanced manufacturing. They're an organization nationwide, and they open labs in high schools to really focus on advanced manufacturing. And so we partnered with them, and we did a whole launch here where the Michigan State Speaker of the House came down and spoke. But all back there are basically the labs where they put in the programming and see if they can make the machine assemble something the way they